Been so caught up setting up the new home that I forgot about a bit of the adventure life, and so this morning thought we'd go for a little mud crab hunt and try to get something for lunch. Yeah, windy day.
Oh no!
Here in the northwest, our traditional way for catching mud crabs is with a standard piece of wire called a crab hook, and we find holes and we try to dig them out of their holes. Bit of fun and get lucky, just as Em found. Show us how you get it, Em.
You're right.
Nice muddy, sleeping in the mud. Hold it, got it. Ew. Where did you go?
I'm thinking!
Look at that. Nice, first one for the day. That was just too easy. So the technique when we're going for mud crab with wire rods or crab hooks is you find holes that look like this hole here, and then you poke the rod into it and you try to feel for something that's hard and the sound of metal on metal. So listen to this. So you hear that high-pitched sound, that's an obvious indication that there's a crab in that hole. So we'll try our best. Okay, as you can see there was a mud crab in there, but this one's a bit small, so we'll just let it go back home. After a quick bit of fishing, just 5 minutes from home. Now just head home and cook it for lunch.
Cheers!
Ew. How bloody good is the simple life? Just back at our cute little home. We've been organising, setting up. Ew. Gingy, mud crabs on the coals, cooking away nicely. And, this is living, mate. There we have it. Fresh crabs caught just a few minutes ago on the coals. Cooked the only way they should be cooked. Contains all the flavour. Can't beat it. Fresh salad growing in my dad's garden, just only a few metres away from where we live. Can't beat it. Gingy to swallow it down.